Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block emails on Gmail on phone. Friends, if someone is disturbing you by sending unwanted emails on your Gmail account, then you can simply block that person from sending you unwanted email. So to do so, you simply need to open Gmail app. In your Gmail app, you need to open the email of that person. I am taking this email as example. Now suppose I want to block this person to send me emails, then I simply need to press on these three dots and here I need to press on block user. Now as you can see, now this sender is blocked on my Gmail account and he will not be able to send me emails in future. Friends, please note one thing, you need to press on these three dots, not this one. So friends, like this you can very easily block email on Gmail on your phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.